Baby girl, when was it that you had decided? Oh, you call it off and on. You were just having fun with loving one last time. Still, I catch you in the day, still at my side, passing by your wish, and someday you would make up your mind. Oh, alone again on Valentine. Alone again on Valentine. Honeybee, was it your buzzing at a door? You've stung me twice before.